Think Tank Forum and to various Astana International forums over the years, I think this meeting is particularly relevant and important because we're going to be discussing how some of the big multilateral institutions like the United Nations, like NATO, like the CIS, have failed to address some of the big problems in the world. We've seen some success recently with the talks with Gaza, but those were orchestrated by just a few players. We're going to be talking, I think, here in the next couple days about the role that the middle powers, like Kazakhstan, can play in trying to resolve some of these conflicts.
Could you tell us, specifically, which problem would you discuss? You said about the Gaza, and what else?
Well, I think all of us would acknowledge that if the Gaza problem is solved, which it tentatively is, the next big crisis that needs to be resolved is the Ukraine crisis. And will that be resolved by middle powers like Kazakhstan, or will it be the great powers, China, Russia, the United States, who manage to resolve that crisis? But that's a war that has gone on for almost 3 years, and it's probably one at the top of the agenda for resolution at this point.
Sure. What about the artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence is changing everything. Certainly in the United States, we're finding that it is changing, it's upending our economy, our economic model in a lot of ways. And I think that for countries like Kazakhstan, it is critically important